Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to deauthorize a device in Amazon Music. So what that means, it means removes that device from your Amazon account, logs it out of Amazon Music, stops access to your downloads and streaming. So it's useful if you changed phone, you hit device limits, and someone else is using your account without permission, okay? Or you don't want him to use it at all. So all you need to do is go to the Amazon.com website on your browser and then just sign in with your account, and after that you will need to go with the profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, so here you will need to go with your Amazon Music settings, and if you have the family plan, you will be able to see an option like content and devices. So just click on that option, and inside it go to the devices tab and find your device, then click three dots or action, then just tap on the register, okay, and the device removed instantly afterward. So what happens after the authorization? Okay, so the device will logged out, the downloaded songs will stop working, and you can log in again anytime. So that's useful if you reach device limit, the playback keeps stopping due to another device, and it affects all Amazon services, not just music. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.